Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing and review of the Seventour DR1 Mini Hidden Dashcam. So come on, let's begin. Alright, so again, this is the Seventour DR1 Mini Hidden Dashcam. So just checking here in the box, this is a 2K dash cam. So it's a front facing dash cam only, so it doesn't come with a rear camera. But this is a budget-friendly dash cam. It's less than 40 bucks. So yeah, so this one, it says again 2K HD. It has a loop recording function, a collision lock function, a parking monitor if you purchase the optional hardwire kit, and it has night vision. So yeah, so again, this is the DR1, so it has a simple packaging, brown box, and printed black print on it. So again, it's a budget-friendly dash cam, and yeah, it is mini. So it is really mini. So it's about 3 inches long. Okay, so it's about 3 inches long, 1 inch, 3 by 1 approximately. So yeah, so this is the main dash cam. So it doesn't have a screen. I think so, yeah. So again, for the price, it's okay not to have the screen. So yeah, so this should connect to your phone also. And yeah, so that's a good one. For the size, the build quality on it, yeah, it's plastic. Yeah, it's good plastic though. So what else do we have here? We have an extra 3M VHB tape. We have the power cable. This will be the auxiliary power cable, and it's USB type C. Yep, USB type C. Oh, and it comes with a memory card. So if you want to upgrade your memory card to a bigger one, you can do so. This is a Lexar 32 gigabytes. Not bad. So they're using Lexar, which is a good brand. So yeah, so it comes with a user manual. Again, this is very easy to install. So for this, you can actually download the app for this one. So let's see. So this is the QR code for the app. So let's download this app in here so that we can see how it looks like. All right, so we downloaded the app. So now let's see and check how it works. So we need to add the device. So we're gonna do that later. So yeah, so basically we just downloaded it and we're gonna pair it later once we connected power to it. We got some specs in here. So I got the chip GK7202V300. So the app is Go Look. Resolution is 1080 or 2K. And then, okay, so the wide angle view on this one is 140 degrees. And video format is H.265, which is compressed, and H.264, which is a little larger when you're saving them. So it take pictures basically with JPEG. Video clip, you can actually set it up from 135 minutes. So that's the loop. If you activated the loop recording feature. So yeah, so video mode, power cycle, recording cycle, automatic override, power on repair. I'm not sure what that's about. So it has a microphone which is default on. So probably you can turn that off in the app. Then external memory card, basically you can use minimum of 8 gigabytes, maximum of 128 gigabytes if you want to upgrade, and you should be using the class 10 or above. And it has a G sensor, 3-axis stereo collision acceleration sensor, which is on by default. Then you can definitely change that on the app. All right, so yeah, so if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Again, this is from Seventour. And yeah, so I'm just gonna install this one out in the car, and I'll show you a footage basically driving it at nighttime and also at daytime. All right.